how can I start this? When? How? And why? Can I start this next week? Next year? Who's gonna finance my dreams, visions, and goals? Do I still believe that dreams still come true? Yes, they do. You are on the right platform. Welcome to Agape Show. My name is Agape Charity. Powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. This channel deals with matters of health and any arising issues in this society. Welcome once again. If you're new onto this platform, you're always welcome. Just remain glued in onto this channel. Alright, I know I've asked billions of questions, but you know what? There is solution to every situation that arises in our daily lives. A lot of friends, family members, and people I just meet in my daily life, they always ask me this hot question, this 1 billion golden question. How do you start a YouTube channel? Today's segment will be answering this hot question. How can one create a YouTube channel? Alright, grab some snacks, fasten your seatbelt, relax, grab your diary, iPad, Samsung tablet to write some of the key points on how one can start a YouTube channel. Alright, I've been asked, but I keep explaining. But anyway, let's get straight onto it. Number one, I believe that everything that you want to do in life, you need to believe in yourself. That's number one. Yes, you might not have resources to start a YouTube channel, but right now, where are you watching this current video? Alright, you're using your phone. Good. You're using your internet to watch, right? You're using your TV to start, right? To watch this video right now as I am talking right now. So you need to believe in yourself. You need to have a positive mindset to know that yes, I can do this. If I did it, you can do it. Definitely, you need to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, how are we gonna watch your YouTube? How are we gonna, subscribe to your channel? You definitely need to believe in yourself because the word itself, it says, I am possible. You need to believe in yourself. Alright, that's the first step. Number two, you need to know what kind of videos you want to do. Do you want to be multi-platinum? Do you want to talk about beauty? Do you want to do vlogs? So you need to research what kind of videos do you want to focus on. Do you want to talk about health? So this term is called niche. What type of industry do you want to talk about? Do you want to showcase your daily life routine as a doctor? Do you want to review movies? You want to cover songs? Okay, so you need to choose what kind of videos you want to do. Number three, you need to have access to internet. Internet is very important, definitely. And number four is definitely creating a Gmail account. You can use your mobile phone to create it. So you need to create a Gmail account. Definitely, whether on your iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, computer, you need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so that's how you can start your YouTube channel. So you can create YouTube channel based on your niche, so you need to have a brand name. So we're gonna use myself as an example. My name is Agape Charity, so I decided to create a professional Gmail account, which is agapeshow18@gmail.com. Why did I put 18? Because that's the year I established my YouTube channel. Alright, so you need to create a YouTube channel by creating a Gmail account. Alright, so you have created your YouTube channel Gmail address. And I know that you've created and made it professional. If it's Charity Beauty, it will be charitybeauty@gmail.com. That's where your audience will reach you out, collaborations or for suggestions, which is very professional, clean, and smart. And you are on the right direction, and I'm super duper proud of you. Once you've done that, your page needs to look professional, engaging, and not too messy. These days, a lot of people go for minimalism, elegance, and engaging. So once you've created your YouTube channel, you need to create your YouTube channel art. So take some time to research in your community who can do some YouTube channel art. So for those who don't know what YouTube channel art is your YouTube cover. If you're using a Facebook for personal Facebook page or Facebook account, you know that there's on your profile, there's your name, there's a profile photo, and there's a Facebook cover. So you need that for your YouTube cover. Other resources you can use for your YouTube cover is Canvas, which has become one of the most popular apps to upload your YouTube covers, your thumbnail covers, anything that you want to do. And you can create that for free, and then you can crop it out just to make it simple. For me, I love blue, and so my logo for Agape Show is Earth, because it means powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. So my target audience is everyone around the world. So it's blue and it's red and it's, yeah, you can see it. I've attached the photo right here on the corner. So it's Agape Show. So it's got a love heart as well, because agape is a Greek name which means unconditional love. Alright, so I would encourage you to take some time to plan your logo, and I love to create a motto. So the motto for my Agape Show is powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. So once you've done that, create colors. Just make your logo simple. Just go on Google, and there's some resources, some websites that can help you to create your logo, and also your YouTube channel cover. Once you've done that, the next important step is don't rush to make your public. Why am I saying that? Because you want to make sure the basic steps have been applied, and you can ask your mom, your dad, your family members, your friends to actually go through it, because you know your brand is your identity. And I'm not talking about brand, but your brand is your identity, and you need to upload high quality of content. So it's always to hear feedback from your loved ones before you make it public. And the most important step is describing your YouTube channel. So you can go on about, and I know I started in 2018 and things have changed. So you can go on home, and it will ask you like, all right, I'm using my personal account here, so it will ask you about, and then it will say more about this channel, so you have to edit. So now I'm on the right one, so I'm going to attach the screen recording so you can see. It will ask you about, so where am I? So it's gonna ask you for your name. So let's say you created your YouTube channel with your personal name, and you don't know, and you're still figuring out your YouTube name. It allows you to change your name, and your description. So on your description, you can edit there, you can write your description. So as I'm giving example like Charity Beauty or Agape Show, you can write a description. This channel deals with matters of health. Hey everyone. So just make it simple. If you want to be creative, I know you're high school, I know you're primary school, I know you're uni, you're doing your PhD, and I know you just love reading and researching. So we all have these skills. Just go on your favorite subscribe channels and just read their blab, and you'll get an idea on how you can write yours. And you can make it simple, 5 sentences, straight to the point. Just make it engaging and be creative as well. Always ask your loved ones to check the YouTube description box, and then you see that on my phone here, you can upload your photo there, your YouTube cover, and you can always change it. So you see, and because this is a personal account, it says keep all my subscriptions private and playlist private. So you can just change the button and it will become public. Alright, so these are the steps that are very important to starting a YouTube channel. Remember, the first step is you can do it. You can start it right now. If you've got access to internet, if you've got access to a basic home, like you're living with your mom and dad, you're living with your parents, where you're at uni, you've got a beautiful phone. I started with Samsung 7H and the quality wasn't good, but we'll talk about that on the next video. So you make sure that everything is private. Ask your loved ones to review. Once you've started that, you then need to, if you like, I suggest you have a YouTube trailer, which will talk about that will be inserted on your homepage of your YouTube channel, so that if anyone comes across your YouTube, they'll just click on trailer and it will engage the audience to know what this YouTube channel is about. So if you've completed watching this video, I say well done. You have attained your goal. You can start it right now. If you've got access to internet, you can start your YouTube channel. On the next video, we're gonna we're gonna continue, and I'm gonna share some nuggets about how to start uploading your YouTube channels and being consistent, YouTube videos, creating YouTube and stuff like that. I hope you've enjoyed the first segment on how to start your YouTube channel. If you've got any questions, I can cover them on the next segment. Remember, powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. And remember, once your family members are happy with the presentation of your YouTube name, your logo, YouTube ads and everything, you can make it public and start promoting your YouTube channel. And I prefer for you to make it public once you have shot your first video. So I will share some nuggets on how to create your YouTube videos and being consistent on the next video. Thank you so much for for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your loved ones. Remember, powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. Bye and well done.